Welcome to MLS Online Virtual Classroom. Today, in Unit 2, Save Me, we will be covering the section of writing, in which we will learn about high-frequency words. So, open up page number 35 and let's get started. To know about high-frequency words, I want you to read the topic Ryan Helps the Environment, which is on page number 35 and 36. You can either read the topic by yourself or ask someone in your family to help you out. Pause this video and read the given text. Once you are done reading, let's come to the learning key. When we write, we use some common 3 and 4-letter words. We use them often. They are high-frequency words. Some of these words are highlighted in the text. For example, was and come. Now let's do an activity. Design a wall of your own. Use 3 and 4-letter words. I have written one word down, which is have. It is a high-frequency word and I use it a lot of time. Now, write your own 3 and 4-letter high-frequency words.